The baby's onto a fish. Keep tenting. Go, bow, bow!
Oh no!
What?
No!
Oh, come on.
Why? Was that my fault?
Huh?
Was that my fault?
This happens sometimes. Okay, baby's on for a second time.
I don't.
Make sure you keep pressure on it. Woo! Yes, baby! Okay, last part you gotta pull it. Keep tension. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Tuna. Okay, keep going. Pull up. Up, better. Caught on the line.
Okay.
Alright. Nice one, baby.
Oh, that's the first one I've ever pulled up.
Yeah. Good size.
Okay.
There's a tuna.
Now we got a nice fish to give to the village.
Yeah, nice. Caught by puppy.
Yeah. Oh!
Small one.
Another one! Woo! Woo! Nice one, babe.
Hey guys, welcome to Once Upon a Reef channel. We're Ryan and Poppy, a couple of adventure junkie sailors out to explore the most amazing reefs and islands in the world.
We hope by documenting everything this lifestyle encompasses that we will inspire, raise awareness, and support ongoing research to do our part in protecting these natural life systems. Subscribe if you're on board, and come sail away with Skateaway.
Okay, we're on again. This time she's got her gloves.
I got one glove on.
Remember to keep tension on it, and last bit you gotta get it quick.
Moving the
So
rope the wrong way.
that's right. I'll grab it after. Oh, it's a better one. Oh, it's a mackerel. Oh, quick, quick. You're gonna lose it. No.
So this is our catch of the day that we trawled on the way to our next island. Where are we going, Ryan?
Panawina.
Panawina, and they're going to be super excited what an entrance it will be to arrive with 3 big fish.
Yeah.
So that's pretty
Always
exciting.
a nice way to rock up. Yeah, bigger island, so should be more resources, and yeah, excited to check it out. The islands are starting to change a little bit more as we head up this way.
Yeah, maybe they've gotten a bit more water down this way, where the islands we were previously are pretty dry. But we're ready to go off to the next one and see what Panawina has to offer.
So yeah, we're at Panawina Island. This is our second anchorage here, and a better one of the two. Bit closer to the island, but beautiful little sand spot with no bommies. Nice depth, unlike a lot of other anchorages.
And it's been very quiet here.
It's so quiet.
Like, it's almost like we don't even feel like we're in PNG anymore, because we've had the boat to ourselves like all day. It's been so nice.
Maybe the first day, with people being around that.
Maybe, yeah, the first day. So we're like, oh, we can clean and do all the things that we try to do before people come. So it's been a really nice day.
Yeah, and then we found out why, because a village member around the other side, he passed away mysteriously. I guess he was like 60 or 70. Well, before he died, he got a really big belly, like a pregnant woman, they said, before passing away. And then later somehow they got someone to admit that they cast a spell on him, used black magic. And then he was sorry that he could only cast it and not uncast it or take it away or heal it. So Yeah, so the people were pretty pissed off about that.
The magistrate, they called
Minister.
it, a minister of this area, he apparently went and grabbed a knife and went to go stab him or kill him. I'm not really sure. So he ran away.
Found him anyway.
He ran away. Nobody knows where he's gone. But yeah, I guess it was some dispute with the land because this guy who had who died was, I think, his garden or something. He was like doing something on his land.
Not to clear a certain section,
Which
I'm
was
guessing,
the
which
guy's
he
land.
conceived of his land, and then the other guy did, and then it caused a dispute. And so he used black magic, the guy ended up dying, and then now he's admitted to it and lots of shit. But anyway,
so that might be why we have a bit of peace and quiet here, because no one's here.
It is pretty funny how news travels too, all the way from Australia and other places of the world, and it often gets skewered and changed many times. So, but anyway, we went ashore and met the pastor and his wife and kids, and went to their house, and yeah, it was really nice just hanging out. And he's really likes showing different things, so he was showing us how, like, explaining what happens during funerals, which you explained before, and the baggies and how to make them, each process, bringing out every little
he
bit.
showed us the baggy shell, which we hadn't seen before, and then how to make the baggies. So the baggies that we're wearing now, which was pretty cool.
But anyway, we got invited to dinner, so we'll take some lentils and rice, and they're cooking up some different things.
And we only just got here and already getting invited for dinner. It's pretty nice.
Yeah, really nice.
So here's the feast that we're having together. So we've got some tulip leaves mixed with some fresh fish that we actually caught. Some fresh eggs, more fish, chicken. Yeah. Some pork.
No, yam.
Oh, this is yam. Oh, it looks like pork. And this is sago. And we brought some lentils and some rice. And we're sharing with our friends.
So this is a stone axe, made from stone, I guess a long time ago, and that's passed down when someone passes away. They exchange with this one and the long baggy. Maybe like, what is that, like 2 meters or something?
Yes.
Maybe you can explain to our friends better. I'll let your explanation.
Like it is red and
That's fine, that's fine.
if they buy one cost 1,000 plus.
Kina. Wow.
Yeah.
And this one?
That depend on the quality, how big.
Okay.
If it's big, then let's say 50 kina.
Is this one considered big?
That's no, that's maybe 15 or 10 kina.
So you're saying these ones are really hard to find?
Yes.
Yeah, and so they're just passed down on and on and on.
It's on our money.
Yeah,
In the picture of it been written.
but no one used to use these as axes or for cutting?
No. Okay. Long time.
With
yes.
like stone? Yeah.
Yes.
I'm just going to explain that. So when somebody passes away, somebody's elected to be the person that inherits stuff from the person who dies. And so what happens is that person is elected early on, and if the person gets sick, then the person elected will be feeding them and like caring for them and giving them things to keep them well. But if that person still dies, then that family of the person has to exchange with the person who is taking care of them and give a bunch of, is that right? And give a bunch of, it's a bit complicated to understand, and give a bunch of things to that person who had been looking after him. And what's interesting, it's not the wife. It's somebody who's been selected. Maybe a cousin, someone in their clan. Everybody has one person. So we've arrived here and they're having a funeral because somebody has passed away due to sorcery. And so right now then that person's going to get things given to them via this exchange. And it could be the baggy or like the stone.
Yes.
axe.
Later when feasting time.
Yeah, and then they have a traditional feast. But not right now because it's dry season. Not enough food. Did I get that right?
I cut them already, and this Okay. See.
First you smash this one.
All right. Where's my
So these are the
hammer?
traditional
My hammer
Bagi
is-
shells, and they're after this red bit.
In
They
the
grow
mangroves.
close to the rocks. They have to dive into the blue sea.
Okay.
They-
Do you eat the animal inside? No.
Yes.
They don't
Some they eat.
Yeah.
See this. Okay, this. We break them. Bit hard. You see the white one has to be removed.
Yeah.
Break it small, like this one, be small. If we break 300 hair pieces, one by one, we are going to blend it, not double. So you see, we can. After that, it will have become like this. See, all have different hair sizes.
Yeah.
And then, island people have knew for wearing the short one, they have to cut it small. For hair traditional or custom or feasting, okay, hair this I cut them hair big ones, and for that one, like for hair feasting or exchanging a canoe, and the small one for wearing, and then we drill it. But this our homemade hair drill, it goes and it comes back, clean the whole of the necklace or the shell.
Is this stone? Oh no, wood.
Yes, this is a spinner.
To keep it balanced, maybe.
Yes, it goes and comes back, goes and comes back.
Did you make this one?
Yes, I
Oh,
did.
nice. Smart man.
See, Ryan, see. I thought you've seen.
Wow, that's super cool.
And then halfway,
Wow.
we turn it around.
All different types of tools.
Yeah.
House already.
Wow, that
Wow,
was
what a
really
process.
cool.
Yeah.
And then first we have to get a line, a line, fishing line, and trade it, smoothing it,
And
beat
then you
down.
put the whole thing on. Yeah.
Yes, and then we use the reel.
Wow.
So quite
That's a long process. Yeah.
quite hard, but
Yeah,
the
yeah.
island people are used to it.
Yeah, yeah,
Because it's their money.
yeah.
Okay, they sell it for money. They buy a bright price, or they buy a pig or a canoe with them. Anything.
So like a big one like that would take a month to make, or?
Nah, maybe depend on how they grain.
Yeah.
Yes,
And if they have it already.
yes. Almost 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay.
2 weeks to make this big one.
Yeah.
Oh wow. And then you'll smooth it out with this one.
Yes.